sharing with you a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home at 475 Huron. As you can see, there's garage, separate entrance directly into the garage area. This property is located in the Crocker Amazon area of San Francisco. And here we are approaching the gated door. I love these gated doors because what they do is they create a space behind that you can put plants or store umbrellas or shoes that may be too muddy to bring inside. Now, this property has a double pane window. And you can see once I close the door, it gets really quiet. So decorative fireplace that can also accommodate low heat logs, such as a Duraflame log. In the corner, I don't know if you can notice that, but there's a sonic connection, then plantain shutters. Again, these are all double pane windows. And looking back, you can see beautifully decorated front door, and then a little foyer area. Let's first go into the kitchen. You can see there's a Ecobee to regulate the temperature. Welcome. And look, the beautiful, beautiful kitchen here. All Viking appliances, microwave, dishwasher, garbage disposal, double wide stainless refrigerator. Here we have a breakfast or dining area. And as we come around, we again have a view of the kitchen. You can see there's a big, giant chalkboard at the end, which is so fun to converse with family, friends, roommates, housemates, just the day's activities, or have fun games on it. Here we have the what would probably be considered the primary bedroom. This does have an ensuite bath, and then there is a big giant custom closet here. We do have doors. If you prefer the doors or the curtain, just let us know, and that can be accommodated. Here we have a shower, lots of cabinet space. That's storage space above the toilet, and then here you have drawers below the sink. Double hanger for towels. Again, wooden floors, and you can see the picture railing up top, and that's where you would hang your pictures, your artwork, for not only earthquakes, but also save the walls. Our management team's happy to share with you on how to do that. This was a child's bedroom. You can see that there was decorative artwork on the wall. Again, another custom closet. If you so desire to have the wall changed and or the decorations on the fan changed, let us know. We're happy to accommodate. I should note that, look at this beautiful skylight up here. I should note that this property is managed by ReLISTO. So, our focus is caring for landlords or properties and tenants. So we want to make sure this is a great experience for you. Here we have washer, big oversized washer and dryer, lots of cabinet space above. Wall setup to hang tools, and then also a tool board if you want to put a bench right there. Here's a big garage space, tall ceiling, and all that space in the distance is cabinetry, deep cabinets, and then also a storage locker right there. Let's go into the lower bedroom. Now, this is a wonderful space. Again, hardwood floors. It overlooks or looks directly onto the green backyard. Again, big windows, lots of light, all recessed lighting. Just really, really gorgeous. Now, you can do multiple things. This was used as a den area and then as a spare bedroom. So this is the bedroom, closet, big space, 3-prong outlets everywhere. And then here, you have your own private or your own bathroom as well, depending on how you utilize the space. Tile, black backsplash, and flooring. Just really gorgeous. This is a really good energy down here. So let's go in the back. This is really the crown jewel right here. Now, if we went to the left, now we would go back to the garage. Here is the view. You can see. All right, and then going back. But this is completely covered near natural grass. And the patio furniture comes included. Nice umbrella